There's no answer and you call twice. Nobody be at my house. I was at the studio all night. Last night I slept on the couch. I might wake up, do it all again. There's a world going crazy outside, but let's pretend that it's alright. We keep pretending that it's alright.
Yeah, alright. Days get mixed up, schedules get switched up. Can't be two places at once. So I take a hit of the that I lit up and forget I had to be anywhere at all. Damn, how the mighty will fall. They wanna see me gone, but I'm here in spite of it all. I never play along. You can keep the fear and self-pity. I'd rather tell you who I am, really. This is not the wake-up call. I am the hotel operator. I don't owe nobody favors. I don't know how the I've been around so long. Busy as an escalator in a crowded mall. It's like every year I realize my house too small. Get paid, upgrade, 2 cribs, new maids, more flights, few planes. Live out my suitcase, lose days like loose change. I swear my life is on Blu-ray. Welcome to Doomsday. The world needs a hero and I am your Bruce Wayne. Kind of like Luke Cage. Well, you keep on running, we keep on pushing your buttons.
There's no answer and you call twice. Nobody be at my house. I was at the studio all night. Last night I slept on the couch. I might wake up, do it all again. There's a world going crazy outside, but let's pretend that it's alright. We keep pretending that it's alright. I run around with open scissors, they taking pictures. I could lose my head to grow instead, gets only bigger. I put one foot in front of the other. I never said to waste your time with water and wine. I'm turning liquid to metal, still the same dude that used to never be sure. When I was way more insecure, did not feel better before. No, umbrellas never could weather the storm. No sympathy for the devil, too busy building the temple. I am looking beyond, leaving them looking hot as the grill. I'm putting them on when I be cooking. I keep on running if I have to. Medusa never turned me to a statue. No, I keep it moving, but keep it low. You can do your thing, to each their own, but you better do something. We keep on pushing your buttons. There's no answer and you call twice. Nobody be at my house. I was at the studio all night. Last night I slept on the couch. I might wake up, do it all again. There's a world going crazy outside, but let's pretend that it's alright. We keep pretending that it's alright.